I tried to wash it off because I had to get some gas because the little journey yesterday I had left it on the car